Peace. I was just working on the Plana Mountain video till now. It's almost midnight. I just want to make an update about my smoking. So I'm happy to report that mission accomplished. I haven't smoked for, this is my 9th day today. So this means that I'm smoke free and it's very easy to stop smoking if you have the right reasons to do so. But it's not very easy to convince yourself that you are actually not losing anything. I still feel the urges from time to time, to be honest. And that will never go away. I have my brother stopped cigarettes. Both of my brothers stopped them. My father stopped cigarettes for 10 years. He started smoking again, and recently he stopped them again. So this feeling that you have towards cigarettes is just another addiction, so it will never go away fully, but you can control it. My main motivation for not smoking is not dying from cancer, first of all, and second of all, I want to increase my athletic, if we can call it athletic performance. So in order to do that, I need to stop smoking because I really can't breathe. It's not enough that I'm so fat, but when I'm a smoker, you know, I'm out of breath after 5 kilometers up the hill. So, and it's not like a big hill. When I say hill, don't imagine something that you see on Tour de France. You know, it's just tiny hill. But for me, it's very, very steep because I'm very fat and I don't have any athletic abilities at the moment. So this is what I wanted to update you on. You can stop smoking if you want. I can share with you how I did it exactly, what led me to this, and it took me many years, many years of smoking. I think I started smoking maybe 12 years ago. I'm not sure. I think it was 12. Maybe it's more. No, much more. Oh my God. Maybe 20. I started smoking when I was 2nd or 3rd grade. You know, just 1 or 2 cigarettes here and there. And I became a full-time smoker when I was 15. So 14 years ago, almost 15. That's a lot of cigarettes. Well, I'm done with this shit. I'm done with this. I'm done with smoking weed. I'm done with alcohol, as far as heavy alcohol. I'm still drinking the occasional beer here and there, but I said that many times. Now what's left is that I need to stop drinking cola. That's my only vice at the moment. I really cannot. Every day I drink just maybe one, a small one, but still I need to stop that. It's disgusting. I know that. So I will do that too, and I will let you know about it. Now I'm very sleepy. I need to go to bed because tomorrow morning I will go to ride my bike before work because I need to put in more work. I need to put in more exercise because I'm not moving in any weight, and I really don't want to restrict any calories. I don't want to starve because there is no reason for it. If I start starving, yeah, I will eliminate a couple of kilograms pretty fast. But I learned my lesson from my past experience, so I just need to increase the volume of the exercise. This is how it should be done. Good night. See you next time.